I promise it is. I don't have the visor area printed yet. The hubcap area, I don't know, someone correct me. Let me know. I'm just trying to get these done. But I promise you it definitely is. You can tell by the tread. Shout out to the Zackers for getting these models so quickly. 3DC also has a really good red file out there. I just started all these printings and these ones finished first, so they're getting done first, that's all. But I printed this one smaller than the other ones. This one is 210. Look, you know, I think it's gonna be not as great. We'll see. I mean, Blue's like vision I think would be like right in here. So we'll see what happens. I have the hub printing right now. We'll get the back printed here. We'll get started on, we'll get some spot paint on this, and then we'll get sanding! Alright, we got the visor form tinted, everything's cleared. We're gonna melt it together, glue it together, get magnets, elastic, and then we'll get to the spin around! There we go, the last of the Boom Trio? I don't know, whatever you want to call it. The pink, blue, and red starting trio, I assume. I'm not sure. I assume it's going to be like a go-under situation. We don't know yet, because the show's not out yet. We are still in January right now. It doesn't start till March, I believe, so we still got a little bit to look into. We did get a lot of toy shown off today. We finally got some good reference, some close-ups and stuff. A couple things are not quite right, but that's okay. We got enough footage, I think, to get orange and black modeled pretty good. So I'm excited, definitely looking forward to orange. I really want orange to just roll all over me, you know what I'm saying? Looks awesome. Mecha looks cool and all that. But blue is really cool though. I love the visor, I love the color of the visor. I think it turned out rather well. Again, shout out to Zachary for the cool modular file. I did ask him, he does plan on making the black and orange also modular with the same file. So look forward to that in the future. And hopefully 3DC cooks up the rest of these too. I know a lot of people like his files, I do too. These just happen to come off the print bed first. So that's all that happened with that. Everything else went rather well with this helmet. I did print this one a little smaller than the other ones. I think it fits a little better. It's also a little uncomfortable in there. I'm not gonna be honest with you. I like the bottom of the tire is like right where your lips are. So it's kind of, I don't know, doesn't feel great. But you know, you're not wearing it for a very long time anyway, so it works out. But I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed all the Boonboomger helmets. Trust me, we are getting orange and black going. Hopefully we get them out before the series. No promises since they're not modeled yet, but I will try my best to make it happen. And if we get any better reference or anything and these get changed, I might remake these. Probably won't do new videos on them because the only things that I saw were very minor things that I don't think super matter. But as always, thanks for watching. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on helmets just like this live. Also check out the merch store, got a lot of cool shirts. Check out the Patreon, we've got $1 tiers. You can vote on community builds. We're currently voting on what Megazord helmet to get modeled. So if you're interested in that, check it out. You also get a discount to the merch store. And check out the Discord. Come hang out. Make some friends. But as always, I'm Stickasaurus. I'll see you, Boon.